G'day everyone, how are you? Hope you're all doing well. This vlog's been some hacking, but as always keeping it bloody legal. And just been giving the ute a wash, your work vehicle ute, daily drive. And this back driver's side door's having trouble. It's not releasing all the time, so I'm going to pull the cover off and have a look. Yeah, it's catching. So let's pull the cover off and we'll have a look, see what's going on. Might be something wrong with the linkage, might have to give it a lube or something like that, but we'll have a look when we pull all this off. So alright, so we've got the door skin off, and if you can look in, if my camera will cooperate, we've got our door handle here, which if I pull on it, you can see it moving up there. And you can see the arm being moved there. So I'll find out why and where. I'll take that cover off. So let me pause this, take the cover off and have a look. Alright, so I moved that plate and you can now see, if I can get my camera to cooperate, it's going to be a really weird video. Our mechanism in here, and we've got this arm at the back just here my fingers on. When I lift up on the outside handle, pushes that down, and we have the rest of the parts in here. So what I'm going to do is grab some, I've got some lithium grease in the shop. I'm going to grab some and spray these parts to make sure that they're all lubricated. So let me go grab that and I'll be back. Alright, so I've got lithium grease. Well, lithium grease. I normally use this on chunks of machinery, or big moving parts, not chunks of machinery. Bigger moving parts like on the door here. Also got some silicone lubricant, which I use on the smaller moving parts. But for this door handle, to stop it from actually sticking as much and releasing, I'm going to use a mix of the two. So on the bigger parts, I'm going to use the lithium grease, and to get right in those smaller, intricate parts, I'm going to use the silicone, just to cover both parts inside the lock, the actual linkages and stuff like that. So I'm going to try and get right in to the back here, lubricate everything, and we'll come back and have a look, see how she is moving. Alright, okay, so spray the inside of that right in there with lithium grease and some of the silicone. I'm just gonna also sprayed where the latch is, and now she actually works. Still catches a little bit, I'm not sure. Just be wearing down because of age. It's 2002, but that seems to fix that problem, why it was sticking and not opening. So that should do it. I'm going to clean this up with the door back, skin everything back on, and we'll have a look at it afterwards. put these back on. There's a little clip that sits just here on the inside, and you have to I use the traveller's hook to pull it out, and then you can pull the window winder off, and then you got to put it back on. So you want to put it in the right position. You want to push that little clip in. So I'm going to use again traveller's hook, because it's like a bloody wonder tool, and I'm going to put this on like that, working in, and put that in the right way, just that way. Like that, and then I'm going to push that clip in. Like that. I normally use like a little bar to see if it's better. So you just put like a little bar in here just to push it out of it so that I can see. That ain't going to come off. Wind my window down. Wind it back up. She ain't coming off. So there we go. That fixed that problem. It's actually working nicely now. You even go in here of spray. So she is all good to go. Now I'm going to clean up, pack up, and edit this video, get it up on YouTube. So anyway, as always, keep it play legal. Check out all links in the description down below. If you like to see, thumbs up, really do appreciate it. And till next time, cheers guys.